Before you start with the installation of your ComforTec floor, it is important to apply a primer on mineral subfloors such as cement and gypsum, a so-called Primer CT. This ensures that the ComforTec adhesive strips adhere better to your subfloor. For this, it is important that the subfloor is cleaned in advance. It should be free from dust and contaminations. Fill Primer CT into a bucket. Simply select the correct concentration according to the description on the packaging. Immerse a standard paint roller into the primer and we can start. Make sure that the primer is evenly distributed and that no puddles develop. After about 30 minutes, the primer is dry and you can start installing the floor. Have fun installing the floor. Do you have more questions? On our YouTube channel, you will find many easy-to-follow tips and tricks. See you soon!